Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, what is my daily routine? What do I do on a constant basis every day? And is it helping or is it holding you back? What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Because people do this, and everyone does, and I'm guilty of it too. Everyone has a daily routine, right? You wake up in the morning, you do this, you go to work, you drive this way, you drive that way, whatever it is, you've got a daily routine that you do almost every day. It's not always exactly the same, but it's pretty close, right? But sometimes that daily routine may be what's holding you back, because if you stick to that and if you stick to doing things exactly the same way you do them every day, how do you change your life? Think about it. You can't really change your life if you're living it the same exact way as you did yesterday. So you're saying to me today, look, I want to do this, or I want to do that, or I want to do this, I really want to change my life, I want to move from X to whatever. Like, I literally want to do something different. That's what we're talking about. You want to do something different and something positive, hopefully. But how do you do that if you don't change your daily routine? Something has to change, because at the end of the day, the hours don't change. You still got 24 hours, so you need to dedicate some of those 24 hours onto your new thing, which means changing your daily routine. So that's what it is. Just stop for a minute, assess your daily routine, and it's probably something you've been doing for years, because people don't realize you get into this routine and you do it for years and it's the same exact thing, which is why you know it. Like, you can do this with your eyes closed, but it may be what's holding you back, because you can't seem to figure out, why can I not ever come from here today? Why can I never achieve what I'm trying to do? Why can I never get it done? You don't have the time to do it. Fix your daily routine. It may help you out in ways you've never thought about. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.